One thing Pole CNC would like to add as a safety issue is concentration of the operator. What I notice when I go do installs is there's always someone coming to the operator distracting him. Not a good thing. He might be in deep thought making a change in the program. He might be in the middle of setting up a new rack of tools. So there's a thing that happens far too often, and it even happens to myself. I put in some new tools and I don't touch off. So I don't have the proper length for the tool, and now I try to cut something. Either I'm not cutting deep enough, or most cases you're going to cut too deep and you're going to screw up your material. So it's the concentration of the operator we really want to focus here. Try to keep your operator free from other interruptions while he's setting up and running the machine. The other thing that is a concern of ours, we talked about earbuds or ear muffs or ear plugs for hearing. Some operators, they like to use their cell phones, and they use earbuds and they listen to music. I would go against that. Problem at that moment is you can't hear the machine anymore. You can hear Alice Cooper just fine, but you're not listening to what the machine is telling you. If the spindle is turning too fast by the sound that the tool is making, or your feed rate is too slow, or if your tool is dull, anything like that, you're not going to hear. So again, that's a per company situation, but I would say hearing protection, foam plugs for your hearing protection, but I would steer away from anything else that's creating a sound. So I would not go with music or audiobooks or anything like that. And let your operator do what he needs to do, and let him stay focused at his project in hand. Again, we're looking at his safety, the safety of the people in the shop, and the welfare of the equipment. Thank you.